Hi, my name is MImran6, and I'm a junior at American Heritage Boca del Rey in Delray Beach, Florida. This year, I focus on researching the autoimmune disease rheumatoid arthritis, otherwise known as RA. In autoimmune diseases, the body mistakenly attacks itself because it thinks there's something wrong, and in order to handle this problem, it wants to destroy these cells. In rheumatoid arthritis, the body's immune system attacks the lining of the joints, which is called the synovium. The synovium creates a joint capsule where we have synovial fluid that allows us to move our joints. The synovium itself is made out of cells called synoviocytes, which are what I use in my experiment. In rheumatoid arthritis, the synovium is attacked, leading to extreme inflammatory responses, swelling, tenderness, and even displacement of the joints. In research, our goal is to investigate a problem, learn more about something, or try to make a difference in society by finding solutions to different issues. In my experiment, I wanted to look at a different way of treating rheumatoid arthritis. Because it is an autoimmune disease, there's no cure for it, but there are different medications that people can take to try to alleviate their pain and reduce symptoms. The medications that patients with RA are offered nowadays are called DMARDs, or disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs. Though these drugs do offer temporary relief, over time they can actually cause more harm than benefit as they decrease the integrity of surrounding tissues and destroy healthy cartilage. I decided to look at an alternative way of treating rheumatoid arthritis, and after doing some background research, I decided to explore a commonly used anesthetic drug called propofol. In my background research, I saw that propofol had been able to kill other malignant cells, such as breast cancer cells, so I wanted to see whether the same thing could be applied to rheumatoid arthritis. To do my experiment, I used rheumatoid arthritis fibroblasts-like synoviocytes. Now, that may seem like a very complicated name, but I simply used the cells of the synovium. These cells were affected with the disease rheumatoid arthritis. I created 3 different concentrations of my drug, propofol, and then tested each concentration by putting them on my cells and then observing cell viability, or in other words, I found out the percent of cells that died. My results show that 34.55 to 39.62% of cells died, which is a pretty big amount when we consider that we work with rheumatoid arthritis. When I was in middle school, I never imagined myself doing science fair projects and enjoying them and being so invested in science research. Research is so amazing because you're able to investigate any topic you desire and design an entire experiment in order to confirm or deny your beliefs. It is so cool to work in a lab, grow different cells, work with chemicals, or work outside of the lab like engineering something because you get to have hands-on experience. So many inventions and medicines and technology exist today because of science research and because certain people decided to pursue ideas they had or things they were curious about. Doing research is such an amazing opportunity and allows you to meet so many new people, professors, and other students who share your love for science. I hope you were able to learn more about what science research really is, and whether you still have some time till high school or whether you're starting soon, I hope that hearing about my project will inspire you to do research in the future because science research goes far beyond your school science fair and gives you so many amazing opportunities as a young student.